Well, we are live today. I'm Daryl Ledyard with Ledyard Digital Marketing. I appreciate you being here. I'm going to show you some very cool things that we've been working on here. We've talked a lot about the Relevant.Page Beast. Today, we're going to show you some of the very cool things that are happening in real time with it now. And yeah, we think that it's best in class for what it does. So that's the point of having this here, and to talk a little bit about this. So welcome to this. If you have not liked and subscribed to our videos before, go ahead and do that. We try to educate and also create some innovative products that can kind of help you on your journey. And one of the key sectors that we're working on is people that have domain names that they've been parking, but they want to have, let's say they want to have some content and some websites. And also affiliates. There's so many people on TikTok looking for a side hustle and a way to make some money. But building out a regular website and writing all the content and things like that can be a very arduous task. So that's where the Beast kind of comes in. And we feel like this will be a real game changer for a lot of people. So I definitely want to show this off to you guys. And thank you guys for being here. CX3, thank you for being here. Greetings to you, my friend, as well. It's great to see you. I'll be here showing off what we've done with the Beast, and might as well get right on to it now. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to maximize this here, and I'm going to show you a website that I did today. It's called buildmorale.com. And if you look here, you can see all of these articles, and these are all under categories. I'm going to go through it, but the Beast now puts pictures in. It puts in your affiliate links. It puts in authority links. It puts in stats and statistics. It puts in facts, sayings, quotes, everything. There's nothing that I have seen quite like it online. And so you can kind of see right here, this is a website you can look for yourself. It's buildmorale.com. If you go to site colon, we took a lot of the pages down, but it's set at right now 209 results, and we just launched this last week. Google seems to really like the content. It's very well written. If you want to take a look at it for yourself, it's buildmorale.com. We broke it into employees and everything. And this literally took me a total, I would say, of a half hour to build this entire site with the Beast. Okay, that includes the logo, that includes putting these all into categories and everything. The whole site took me about 30 minutes to do. And I'm going to walk you through how I did that right here on this live. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put them inside of the chat. I'll be happy to answer them for you as well. So the other website that I did today was just goofing around. It's called enableprofits.com. And I'm building these things out because I want to do some case studies and show how these will do over time. And also I'd like to sell these in the future. So I'm going to schedule out the posts out to 2 years or so that you can kind of, see what they can sell for. So the other site is called Enable Profits. What we have on here, we have a side hustle for rideshare, and you can see the different articles about that. If you look at that, you get all the images and everything. All the images we got from FreePick. We have the unlimited plan with FreePick, and here's writing an ebook and some information about how to write an ebook, all done with the Beast. Images, authority links, our affiliate links are put in here as well. For Amazon, here's an Amazon link right here. It goes to a page right here, the power of writing it down. So we can make some money with that. And then once we're inside of the website, we can go ahead and add in links. I'm currently using, look at this score here, 100 on the SEO score from smart crawl from WPMU. But if we go down here, if we go to automatic linking, you can use this tool. I think this is like $80 or something for unlimited sites, but you can do custom links. And then you can link groups to your affiliate offers through this as well. So that's a great way to do it. And there are other ones that we recommend as well that are free. So you don't have to have this particular tool, but you can see there's some really great content that this is creating. We're not charging you per post. We're not charging you credits like auto blogging. We're not charging you like Surfer, $29 a post. You have unlimited. You use your own OpenAI key, and you can use it till the cows come home. So it's definitely worth checking out. And if you would like to get access to it, go to Relevant.Page. And I'll tell you what I'll do, starting right off. Let's see if I'll answer that in just a second. So if you're interested, go to sign up for the beast at Relevant.Page, and I'll carry on and I'll show you more about what this is doing. But you can use coupon code GOBEAST, and we're going to take off $200 each and every month just because you're watching this early adopter webinar. All right. So I basically wanted to show you this. There was a question. I'm going to look real quick. I see a big old wow. I love that. We worked very, very hard on this. Was that the $80 tool? What was the $80 tool was WPMU, I believe it is. And it gives you a whole suite of things, including security. It has Hummingbird Pro, Smart Crawl Pro, Link Checker, Smush Pro. It's WPMU Dev, and you can even white label that for your agency as well. And it has a hub, and so you can have I think it's unlimited sites on there. It's really, really quite good so far. So I'm quite impressed with that so far. So anybody have any questions? This is the beast. This is what it's creating now. Articles left and right justified. We've got articles that it links out to. Here is a affiliate link of mine. Go ahead and click that and buy that book. I'd appreciate that. And we also have authority links as well. So it's not just our affiliate links. If you go down here, look at how much content you get in these. And let's go to this one here. Here's a reference link, and it's going to Business News Daily. And here's another relevant article. This is why Google likes our site so much. Even though it's AI, it's pointing out other articles and journals and things like that on the topic. There's no other AI writing tool that I know of. If anybody knows of one that does what this thing does, let me know. But so far, nobody gives you unlimited to build out this many articles in 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 150 article websites and more. It's just a matter of how much time do you want to put into it to get that. So we did build morale. Look at about 30 minutes a time. Enable profits, I think about the same amount of time. And if you would like, we have a little bit of time tonight. So I'm just going to go and walk through how we build one of these things live in front of your eyes. Okay. So basically what you'll need is you'll need a domain, and you'll need some basic hosting, and you'll need the beast, which you can get at Relevant.Page. And from that, we'll give you that coupon code. I don't want to make this salesy, but I just want to make it available to people. It's $200 off each month, and it's go.ht. I'm sorry, it's Relevant.Page is the website. Sorry about that. My voice is a little bit hoarse. All right, so let's do this. Let's go to this website, which is empty. It's called exersold.com. And I'm going to gear this up for selling. I bought it for somebody, and I don't know that they're going to use it. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill it up with some content. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have a basic website, ledger.xyz. And I'm going to use that to test the file that comes out from Relevant.Page, just because I don't want to put into my real site what I'm testing. So in order to test it, you'll have to have our plugin, which we give you free of charge as part of the beast. And it's right here. It's called Relevant.Page Importer Lite. It brings in the JSON file, takes the URLs, processes the images, compresses them, saves them, relabels them, adds the alt tags, adds the title tags. Let me just go and show you that. And then it also allows you to schedule how far apart you would like those to go. Let me just bring this up so you guys can see. So you can see how many hours apart you want that to go, and you can set on the calendar dates in the past, and you could go ahead and schedule into the future as well. So you can go further ahead and schedule out. So you can go pretty far out. As far as the media goes, I just want to show you this. These just were URLs, okay? But if you take a look, it says explore ebook tips. And if you take a look at the image, we are processing it, writing an ebook, writing ebook tips. So we put the file name in, we reformat the file name for you, okay, inside of WordPress. So we're basically taking any old link, okay? It doesn't have to have the keywords in it anymore because we put it in there with our plugin. Okay, and you get that free of charge with the beast. Okay, so if you are already sold and you're like, I want to sell this, go to Relevant.Page and sign up to be an affiliate. Go ahead and get the software as soon as you can and get that $200 discount while we still have it. But you can see every single image here. Look at this. Have a look at that publishing and then the image. Let's go take a look at that. If you know anything about SEO, this is going to help you guys. Okay. And we also compress the images so that they load super, super fast. This image right here is 67 kilobytes. Okay. So it is rocking it from the SEO perspective. And let me just show you actually what I mean by that. So if we go into the back end here, I'm going to go into the back end of this website here, and let's go take a look at, I'm kind of new to this, so I'm going to make sure that I get to the right place. Smart Crawl Pro. Here we go. The SEO is showing up as 100, okay, out of 100. And then the performance, let me see where the performance is. I think the performance is here. It's at 99 desktop, and this is 92, and this is through Lighthouse, okay? So it performs really, really fast, really, really well. There's nothing to slow these things down. They're just, rock bottom. And some people have asked us, if we have like, let's see, the appearance, we have it on a cadence. So we have it on the cadence theme. So that's pretty cool. Oh, thanks, Twitch. The first time I got your trash. I love it. Thank you, Wasted Fox. I appreciate that over there on Twitch. That's the first time I've had somebody from Twitch. Didn't know anybody was over there. That's great. Thank you. So anyway, so here is Enable Profits. That cheered me up a little bit. Thank you. I appreciate that. So we're going to go back to extrasold.com, and what we'll do is let's go to Google and let's put in how to exercise at home. Let's see what comes up. How to exercise at home. All right, let's do that. And, if you're doing more keyword research, you would really look into that a lot more. But I just like to use the auto suggestion. And sometimes I'll just like throw a couple other things. How to do dumbbell. That might be too specific. Our thing will actually come up with a lot of that stuff. So just how to exercise at home is what we're going to take into the beast to work on. So let's see, we're going to go to ht/beast demo. All right. Thank you guys for watching here. when you guys get signed up, we give you guys a private account. This is all new. So before you couldn't run more than one tab. Now, because you're using your own API, you can use multiple tabs if you want to. I don't choose to, but you can do that. So I'm just going to put in how to exercise at home. All right. And I'm going to go through and go to the next tab. And I'm just going to put in exercise. All right. Okay. And so that's got only one Pixabay. Let's see if I do that again. Okay. So that's not going to be enough. So we're going to have to go back and go to here. Let's see if I scrape that. Okay, so here's more images. Okay, what we could do is do that again. I'm going to put exercise plus at home. Let's see what we get. Okay. All right, so these I see HuffPost and some of these, I couldn't actually use these. So I'm going to show you the other technique because the Pixabay didn't come up with much for it. So let's go to FreePick. And I will go into FreePick. We'll go into a thing here. We'll just check. And we're going to say exercise at home. I think I misspelled it. Exercise. Exercise at home. Let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, look at these. These are great pictures, right? These will look good on the blog. So what I'm going to do is that a lot of people are going to ask me, what is this plugin that I'm using? This one is called Instant Data Scraper. And I will go ahead and grab the link. And I will grab it and put the link inside the chat to everybody. And that would be the link to that. All right. So we're going to go back to exercise at home. And I'm going to go ahead and grab that plugin, reset all columns. And the one you're going to look for is the landscape SRC. Okay. Landscape SRC. Get rid of everything but that and go ahead and copy all. And we're going to go ahead and put that on a tab over to the side. Okay, because this is where we're going to get some really good images. We do have Pixabay, but I got to tell you, sometimes they're not the greatest pictures. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit the next one. And we'll go ahead and hit the same thing. Reset the columns. Get rid of the X's. This is a great hack. If you need to get URLs, make sure that you've paid for FreePick, obviously. Okay. And where you grab those. All right. All right. So now that we have this list, I'm going to go to TechShaker, one of my favorite tools online that I use. And let's go ahead and pop this in here. I'm going to delete duplicate lines, delete empty lines, and we're going to keep lines with .jpg. All right. And now we've got kind of a pretty decent list. We'll go ahead and we'll grab this. That. All right. We got 82 images. All right. 82 images. I'd like to have like 150, but we'll start with 82 images for now. We'll just go to the hosted here. Grab this out. Spin text. Go ahead and hit next. We're not doing anything with location, so we'll go ahead and hit this. All right. Brian, of course, man, I always got these golden nuggets. I love to share when I find something. I have another one I'm going to show later. I promise I'll have one that I picked up from somebody, and I'm going to share it to you guys just for watching. It's a really cool tool for making logos, and it's free, and it does a good job, actually, I think. All right, so you're just going to wait just a few seconds here. If anybody has any questions, go ahead and throw it in the comments. Now, what this did was, if you remember looking at the old Beast, there was a lot of stuff going on. Well, guess what? It's all here under Show Advanced Settings, okay? And you can see everything is still there. If you need the spin text for some other tool, you've got it. It's all right there. It's generated for you, but it's also used to build out this really high quality content, okay? So I'm going to put in at home gym equipment. We're going to go ahead and process. This is going to search Amazon for good products that we could add into our article. Okay, this is exactly the way Amazon Associates wants you to create content, right? Valuable content. This is what Google wants, right? This is what everybody wants. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add facts and stats, authority links, and Amazon products. If I had other affiliate products like ClickBank, all you have to do is go to external links and pop them in this box right here and check external links, and you'll have all of your links being put into the content. All right. All right. We're going to go ahead and generate based on this. If anybody has any questions, let me know. I see a big old goodness. This is something else. It really is. So yeah, while this is doing its thing, it says between 5 and 10 minutes. It will be less than that. Let's just go and I'll show you the logo. I couldn't believe this when I found it. So we're just going to go to logo.com. And I found it thanks to a friend. I don't know if he wants me to tell you about it. We're just going to put in Exer Soul like that. We're going to make a logo. Okay. I'm just going to make a quick logo while we're waiting for that to do its thing. I like orange and maybe purple. Let's try that. Let's try bold with icons. Why not? Exercise. Fit. Yes. All right. We're just building out this. I think AI is just going to make it so much easier to make really cool things here. We don't need to have the slogan, I guess, there. So we'll just do Exer Soul. Let's go ahead and generate again. And I'll go back to the Beast. It looks like the Beast is still working a little bit there. So let's go ahead and see what we come up with on Exer Soul. But this one's kind of cool. I'm just going to grab this one. All right. I'm not going to get too picky. Let's grab something here. I'm going to grab this one here. And gives you a few other options. We're just going to keep that one. Going to keep that, keep that, keep that. All right. Get your logo. Look at this. Not only do they give you a logo, right? They want you to buy the upload, like the resizing. See, that's like premium, which go ahead and do if you'd like. But you can zip file this whole thing, and it sends you the EPS. It sends you the PNG, the SVG. I mean, it's for what I'm doing, this is all I need, right? So, all right, we go back to the Beast, and the Beast has now created some really cool stuff. Okay, this is the HTML, and this goes on for days and days and days. Here is the WordPress output that we'll get to in a second. Here is the link right here for the RP importer Lite. And here is the document file. And when you click on this, it gives you all of the content in one huge message. And then if you want just the text, we give it to you in text. if you want, now this is really cool. We have some future use cases for this, but if you want to generate all of that content as a CSV file, a comma separated value format, including all the HTML and all the pictures and everything like that, okay? You're just going to go ahead and click on this, and you've got your excerpt, right? All 50 of them. You've got your keywords. You've got your featured image, right? You've got your tags. You've got all your category, the category that it belongs to, all for you, unlimited, as much as you want. And then this column here, if you open it totally up, which we don't have enough room to do it on this screen, but if you open it up, that's where all the content is. If we take this and open it into Google Sheets, it shows it all for you. So that's really powerful. And for other integrations, that can be very valuable. If you have Menterprise Publishing, all you have to do is click this, and it'll go ahead and copy that into the notepad, I guess. And then we do still have SBPM, which is still here, and you can download the file to the SBPM plugin. We have the plugin for you. We also have some recommended plugins for you on this tab here that you can still get. But we probably will be depreciating this because I think most people, once they see what this can do, will be just on our WordPress output. All right. All right. Now, this is what I'm going to suggest. The very first run, you want to make sure that it works before you put it into the live site. So what I do is I just have a junk site that I keep emptying and trying it out on. So I'm going to go ahead and generate the file. It'll say query ran, and then down here you're going to see the file load. It says how to exercise at home. Okay, and so just because you want to double check before you put it in, we're just going to go, especially once you have a website, we're going to go in here to my test site, and we're going to go into settings and relevant page importer. And this one, we're just going to go ahead and grab. This is about the right size. If it's about 500 kilobytes, a little less than half of a megabyte or so, that's about right. Okay. And we're going to go back. We can schedule them 3 hours apart, and it will go ahead and process all of those images. It'll save them to the media library and so on and so forth. Now, what you can do is hold control and visit site, and you can see there's nothing here, right? It's doing its thing. You can see the little squirrely squirrel thing here at the top. If you go ahead and now reload this page, we could start to see actual posts coming in. So let's go ahead and reload. Okay, nothing's happened quite yet. It must be processing its first images. So we'll wait on that. If anybody has any questions, I'm happy to answer them for you. I appreciate you guys checking out this live about Relevant.Page the Beast. Once again, a little quick promo. If you want to get it, Go Beast is the coupon code for $200 off per month. And if you want to sign up for the Beast, go to Relevant.Page. Relevant.Page. We've got some other products that are going to be coming out that are going to help as well as you're trying to earn money in these trying times. So look at this website, guys. Look at this. Okay, let's take a look at the content. Does that look nuts or what? Look at that. Here we go. 8 at-home workout routines. Go ahead and we'll click on that. Here we go. Here's some authority links that you're sending out to. Share that love. 30 moves to make the most out of your home workouts. We're going to click on that. Look at that. Bang. No hallucinations. It picks it, pulls it in. All right. How about some hot products? Okay, let's make some money. Here's one. Go back. Let's click on this one. Resistance bands. Oh, look at that. There we go. Guys, this is madness. We don't charge you per credit. We don't charge you. You just have to pay for the each run. Let me just say, each run is about $1.25 to $1.75 to run 50 pages. Okay. I heard that surfers charging like $89 a page. We charge $1.20 to $1.75 for 50 pages. Yeah. So what's this say? No question. Just fascinated as always. Oh yeah. Definitely. It's cool. All right. So I like what we've got. So this is what you get when it's done. Okay. It shows you a summary of what was created for you. And you get the pictures of what are the featured images. So you can kind of tell if there's something missing or something's not right, so on and so forth, right? And so this looks pretty darn good. If you don't agree, let me know, but that looks pretty darn good. And so we're going to go ahead and we'll blow these out. So well, let me just show you on the front end again. This is how they look. How to exercise at home with comprehensive at-home workouts. I mean, who else is like wrapping the images and, doing all that? And then in the edit, you can edit each post. Like if you're like, oh, I don't like that picture, click on it, change it, right? All you got to do is go into your media library and you can change that image. Look at this. It has the alternative text. It has all of that. That's why it's getting 100 score out of 100 on SEO. This is lights out, right? This is lights out. You're giving Google exactly what it's asking for, okay? We're even bringing in statistics. We're even bringing in authority links, right? We're even bringing in monetization. This doesn't look strange. This is not, some kind of strange, weird, where did these pages come from? Okay. This is all helpful information. Look at this. Right here in the center is my money link. Bang. Right into my product. Who put that there? The Beast. The Beast did it. What about this one? Amazon. That's the same product. $79. All right. Period. This is the way to go. So we have an image now. So we're gonna go to Exersoul, and I'm gonna go ahead and we'll give it a quick logo. And this is from previous install. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and see this come through here, hopefully. Let's see, no promise. Oh, I think it was. Here they are. So I'm just going to do color logo. We'll just pop that on there. Okay. Do a little bit of cropping. Okay. Bing. Just the logo, please. Thank you. All right, let's go ahead and clear that out. We'll go ahead and go back to our plugin, and let's how to exercise at home 551. We'll go back. Let's see. Let's go back to the 11th of June and separate these by 19 hours apiece. Let's go ahead and separate those. I'll enlarge this. And now what you can do, I mean, you could have done this, and if you had a team of people, they could be doing this all day long, right? But if you want, you could just add some more pictures up at the top, or you can just keep what you've got. I would suggest you to get more pictures, actually. But go ahead and run it again, and it will take half as much time to get 50 posts. So the next run is that much faster. And one of the things we're looking to do is have it so that you can load the images down here so that it's a lot easier, and the locations as well. I'd like it so that you can add the locations as well. Some people have asked, do we do local, like location plus niche? We've done some experiments with that work pretty well. It not only will insert in the location name, but it'll also write things about the location. Okay, so here is the results. It shows you the articles. It shows you the pictures. It shows you a sentence from the article, just to show you that they're all working and looking good. We're talking about the Beast from Relevant.Page. This is our new plugin, and I think you're going to find it's going to be very profitable for you. All right, so if you go ahead and look at the front end, look at that. We went from a blank site to a logo to this. Now, what I would like to do before we kind of finish off this demonstration is I'm going to go to this page, and I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to go to this. And all right, we're going to go into the menu. And I'm going to make a menu here. And we'll go ahead and I'm going to make a category called at home. Okay. And then what I'll do is I'll go to the categories here, and I will go here and click on some of these so that we get what we're looking for. Okay. So we're going to put this at the top. That there. I'm going to put this here. All right. So there you go. You've got some content. Now we could go ahead and rinse and repeat. I just have to go back to the menu. And we'll go to the menu locations, and we'll just pull up main one. We'll save it there. And now you have at home, any of your various things here. Okay. Hope that helps. If you want to be an affiliate, just go to Relevant.Page. Just click on become an affiliate. You can get 15% recurring, but because the price is a little bit higher, you could get between, $75 to $100 per month by promoting it. The Beast is currently $697, but you get a $200 coupon code for being here today with me, and that is Go Beast, and you get $200 off per month for that. All right. Does anybody have any questions for me before I round up this one? For today, we have some other tips I'm going to show you guys and how we're going to implement this to help you get the best keywords for using this. So does anybody have any questions? Go ahead and put it in the live comments here. I'll be happy to answer them for you and see if we can answer them for you as well. I see this. Brian, definitely. Thanks for all your support, my friend. Thank you. Appreciate it. Love the wow. He says, how does my mind keep getting blown over and over again? I love that. I love that. Somebody asked on Facebook, can you add affiliate links after the page is up? Yes, you can. I'll show you a way to do that. Yeah. Okay. CX3, just mention me. I'm not going to post that on here, but go ahead and just get a hold of me as always. We can talk. What's the logo site again? The logo site is logo.com, not logos, but logo.com. And man, they give you a lot of value for messing with their tools. So that's very cool. All right, so going back to our Facebook user, let me go ahead and show the screen again. Now, there's a couple ways you can do the affiliate links because this is WordPress. It can be done after the fact, but let me show you a couple different ways. One is if you're in here under SBPM, we have some recommended plugins. And there is a couple that I recommend, but this one right here, I'm going to go ahead and give you the link to. And this is free for you. And it does a great job. You can put in your affiliate links in there and it will take the keywords and link them to the affiliate link. I'll just go ahead and put it on the screen in case somebody's watching on a thing that doesn't get the message. So it's wordpress.org plugins WP-auto-affiliate-links. You can do it that way. I took that out of my stack because I just got WP-MU Dev. I used to have it a long time ago, but I was really looking forward to their new SEO tool. And there were some features in there that I was paying on different other services. And one of the things that it does is auto linking. So while I got you guys here, a little plug for them. I don't have an affiliate link or anything at this point, but if you go into here, they have a lot of cool things. They got this link checker, which I think with this kind of thing, you definitely want to check for, WP-MU Dev, I think it is. And they do white labeling too. If you're like an agency, you'll be really happy about that. But let me just show you, this is what made them famous here, is their Smush Pro, because I don't know, a lot of people got that. I've used other ones, it's good, but this is what brought me there is the Smart Crawl. What I like about this is it does all the typical stuff, right? But again, I'm not a fan of Yoast SEO, so any excuse not to use Yoast. But there's a lot of great SEO plugins. Don't get me wrong, but this is what I liked about it. So if you go to automatic linking, you can activate this, right? And then you can set how you want the automatic linking to go. And this is such a pain in the neck, but normally to manually link is a pain in the neck, but it's such a time saver to have it basically link like posts, right? So you can say from post to post, and we can say post to post and post to categories. I'll go ahead and save that, right? And then it'll go to, let's say, custom links. And with the custom links, you can go ahead and create a group if you want to, and then have the links. So this is a great way to set up your affiliate links in here, right? And then you don't need to have that particular plugin. So I think that's really cool. Then they have the exclusions, and then you can sort of say, definitely don't link these keywords out because, for whatever reason. And then you can always do things like this, like define the shortest title taxonomy length. I'm just going to make this 2 and 2. I'll just bring that down. And max limits, allow auto links to empty taxonomies. I turned that off. Prevent linking to in heading text. I didn't want that. Process only single posts and pages. So I didn't want the category pages to do it. I didn't want to process linking in RSS feeds. Let's see, auto linking. I'll have to think about that later. Case sensitive matching. I'm going to turn that off. Prevent duplicate links. Only one per page. Okay. So basically, you go through these and you set your preferences the way you want. And that's the beauty of it is it'll go to work and link up these pages between each other. And that's really helpful. Like if you look here, this is going to a category page, and this is going to a category page, right? If we go in here, I might turn it off the category pages. It looks like it's liking that too many times. I'd like it to go right to deeper links, so to pages. But yeah, I just thought this was really cool. Yep, categories. Just check in categories. Not a big fan of that. I want to make sure that it's going to actual pages, not as much the categories. So let me go back. I'll go into that tool. Anybody have any questions? I'd love to answer questions. So please go ahead and send them in if you will. Let's see. Okay. Linking. Going to turn off the categories. Post to posts. All right. Let's see if that got any better. So here's going to the Journal of Medical Research and Innovation. And here it is. You don't think that makes your blog more, potent and helpful? I think it would. So yeah. So anyway, if you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to me on the website Relevant.Page. There's a little chat on there. It'll start a chat conversation with you. And we can talk on there as well. One last final check through. Does anybody have any questions? If you've been with me a long time, I've been known to make deals with people. I built this myself. I'm happy to help out where I can. To people that have been watching the Sunday lives and the content and everything like that, don't be afraid of the price. Go ahead and reach out to me and we'll see what we can do. Maybe we could give you 6 months at a ultra low price to get you up and running with it. Yeah, go ahead and take a look at it. Relevant.Page. Watch this video again. Go ahead and like, subscribe, tell the people around about it, and we'll be happy to catch you later. Bye-bye.